back to another video. Today I wanted to share some information on omega-3 fatty acids. Basically what they are, what they do, how much we need, and some food sources that contain rich amounts of them. Oh, and today we're being joined by Mr. Jeffrey the Poodle, so if you see this big black fluffy thing moving, it's not a haunted pillow, it's my dog. So we like to call omega-3 an essential fatty acid because our body can't synthesize it. Our body is actually able to synthesize a lot of different chemicals, but this particular arrangement it's impossible for our body to make it on its own, so we have to consume it in our diet, and hopefully on a regular basis because it's very important for our health. So there are different kinds of omega-3 fatty acids, the major ones being alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which come mainly from plant-based sources. Then we have EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. And these two mainly come from animal-based sources like pastured eggs and fatty fish, grass-fed meat, also algae oil, which is a plant-based source. EPA inhibits platelet aggregation, which is just a fancy way of saying it stops blood from clotting, and it has an overall inflammation soothing effect. And DHA is a major structural component in our skin, brain, and retina in our eyes. A really cool fact is that 50% of the total fat in your brain is DHA. And trust me, you've got a lot of fat in there. You know, your brain weighs about 3 pounds, give or take, and 60% of that weight is fat. So 60% of that fat is DHA. So DHA is very, very important for your brain health, your memory, cognition, and all that good stuff. When you're deficient in omega-3, you can have cognitive decline, trouble thinking, trouble remembering things, depression, dry hair, skin, eyes, mouth, nails, joint pain, hormonal imbalance, and a lack of omega-3 fats during pregnancy can result in the baby having poor brain development and learning disabilities later in life. So let's make absolute certain that we get enough omega-3 fats. Between 250 and 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA is recommended for adults every single day. Animal-based sources include grass-fed meat, fatty fish, other types of seafood, and pastured eggs. The human body can convert a small amount of plant-based ALA into EPA and DHA, but this conversion isn't very efficient. To convert it to EPA, we're talking about an 11 to 20% conversion. And then since ALA can't directly convert to DHA, it actually has to convert to EPA first and then to DHA, and this ranges from 1 to 9%. So although ALA can be found in a variety of different plant foods like walnuts and hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, because the conversion rates are so low, you're definitely going to want to pick up an algae-based omega-3 supplement to ensure you're meeting your needs. So I linked an article I wrote on vegan supplementation for omega-3 fats if you want help finding a good product. Otherwise, you may want to consider including some of the animal foods I mentioned. If you're interested in learning more about nutrient-rich eating, you can visit my website and explore my blog and meal plans and recipes and free starter guides. I think that's about it for today, guys, so thank you for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.